Okay guys, we're gonna go live in a minute. We are getting set up so we can rock out and talk some crypto because there's gonna be some big moves happening, big things rocking. Dropping our links. Alright. Dropping our links. Okay guys, we're gonna go live in a minute. We are getting set up so we can rock out. Yeah, I see you guys coming in the team, in the office, in the back of the office. Oh yeah, yeah, sure. Okay, so yeah, like I said, I was gonna be growing my team, so now I have a couple Twitter influencers that work with us, and I got the wifey on board at the crib. We're gonna be rocking out, and she's gonna be able to do a lot of stuff and drop in links, and we're gonna grow a daily fan base, and we are gonna rock out. And I'm gonna do private stuff. If you watch my other chats, when we did like little 5-minute, we were doing the 5-minute candles, and we were catching some scalp trades. Not bad, man. Not bad on a scalp trade. Had a $500 scalp trade, and then bada boom, bada bang, get 10%. Did it 3 times in a row. Watch the book map. So I showed you guys. All right, so let me go ahead and pop that line. The latest and greatest crypto news and much more. Boom. We're going to talk about the charts. We're going to talk about the overall cryptocurrency market caps. We're going to talk about everything. Let me just get over here to CMC so that way I can do the rundown. Okay, it is Sunday. Tomorrow is going into Monday, and everybody's setting their targets. So I went in and I looked through the blockchain and I saw the targets, especially as the CPI data. A 0.1 caused that pullback. So what do you think is going to be in store for the stocks this week, especially institution-wise? And then if you look on some of these blockchains, okay, and how they're trying to process the transactions to see how far they can push them. The ETH merge is rocking right now. I'm going to actually do an independent video tomorrow, and we're going to talk about the ETH merge, and we're going to do a rundown and go through all that stuff, okay? And then also I got other guys that are going to start helping out on the YouTube channel. If you want to help out, get the email, shoot me an email. And if you got the skills, then let's rock it, man. We're going to do how-to videos. I'm going to do all the how-to videos on how to do all the farming, yield farming. And then I'm going to do the how-to, like I've been teaching all these different new coins, how to use their marketing funds in the best way and utilizing them, yield farming them, getting the rewards and growing it, and then having somebody manage that. So I could do that teaching. And there's so many different things you could do on the blockchain now, and especially with land. And there's another thing I'm going to show you with Babyswap, where they have their metaverse with land, and that's going to be really beneficial, because if you get a piece of land right next to them and then you get your token on their listing, I can show you guys all of that. I am almost ready to monetize this channel, so when I do that, I'm going to have a private section where you guys can hop in, join, and I'm going to teach all those courses, okay? I've helped many different projects launch from the Binance Smart Chain first, and then I also worked with, you know, EVMs and different stuff like that, and building DApps. I gained a lot of contacts over these past couple of years, rocking out, and Ambassador, and a couple of my top sites where I hold and yield farm. And all that is, I started with the pancake swap, learned that, and then, you know, I ended up talking to some people through Babyswap, got some listings, got some targets, and ended up using them this whole past year, okay, which was awesome. So I definitely got the full APR on a 1 year, and that was great because it was like stake baby and get 68 or, you know, 75%. So just think about that. Hey, if you staked 100K, okay, you would have got that 70%. That's 70K in a year. Okay, that's a salary. So if you had that to stake, you can just live off of dividends the same way people do it on stocks, okay? But you're doing it on crypto, and now there's much more opportunities to do that, okay? And the more income streams that you build, all right, the more income you have coming in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a video, okay? I'm going to do this tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to do it live or record it. I might do it live and have some people come in, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean. Building up different income streams, how to watch it, how to look at BSC scan, how to determine, you know, is it a fraud, is it a pull, is it a rug pull, the different teams, and I'll show you what to look out on the websites, and I'll show you all that different stuff because I want all you guys to be safe out there, all the different chats I'm in. You know, somebody almost got me the other day, and I was like, man, I am out of this. You know, some shady characters are out there, man. And I you know, you just got to be careful, man. Sometimes you got to do your own research, and you got to do CEST. That's in trading, all right? Condition, entry, strategy, target. That's what it stands for. So we're going to do a little couple of things like that, and I will do private targets, and I will show you guys. I'm going to do it again like I did last year, where we took $5 and we made it into 20. Then we took that 20, we made it into 100. We took that 100, made it into 500, and then we made it into a 1K. So we're going to do another one of those private little videos and chats in a Discord group. And if anybody's interested, just hit me up on my email on the information over there, and we can rock out with that, okay? I'm doing that karma-wise. I just want to show I enjoy it, and it helps freshen up my mind. You know, it's totally free. I'm going to do it. I'm going to show you guys how to rock it out, and you could even start with paper trading, and I will do that also. Okay, I just wanted to get that all up and all off and just rock out with you guys and let you guys know what's good in the head. All right, let me go ahead and just drop my crypto news to my fam here. Okay, right now I'm CM at BQ coin, okay. And we've been having a 500K. We've been riding that floor, and once we catch some bullish, there's a lot in store that's gonna pop out, man. So we caught that last run up. We're holding the floor nicely at around 500K. All right, popped up to that 1 mil, and we're holding this floor nicely. And there's a lot of things coming. And straight Miku verse, and geez Louise, if I could tell you guys all the different stuff, but it's gonna be like this. It's gonna be under promise, over deliver, and then that's how you get it. And also, the best times, people ask, oh, when marketing or when this, you know, just think if you ran and you were a community manager and one of the days BNB was down 3% or 5%, would you drop a promo? No, because people are not looking to spend it, you know? People are not looking to spend it on a down day. Now, if you go and you look and you see the beginning and the New York Open and BNB starting to pump, boom, that's when you drop your promo, and then you drop it, you know, in concession, you know, every hour, every 3 hours, so that way it's shilled and rated. And then you also make sure you always have shill, raid, and meme contests going on. Even if, you know, small prize, big prize, people just love it, man. People love memes. People love to see it. So when you see the information with the meme, it sticks in the head much better. That's why they teach us colors and pictures in school. And that's why they do the songs. So having a song, having all the different memes, and rocking out. And I look for the most active members tagging me on Twitter, so you can see Jay Strategies. The more of you guys that tag me, I will see. And if you have projects you want me to rock out or look at, go ahead and tag it. Tag me, say Jay, take a look, and I will for sure get back to you. I answer every single day. I make sure I get to at least 100. But some days I answer up to, you know, up to like 250 between the emails and the DMs and stuff like that. And mostly helping people and, you know, direction. All right. Okay, guys. So what do you say? Let's hop into today's market. Okay, so this is CMC. Today's overall market cap is 949 billion. Okay, so we're under that 1 trillion. 24-hour volume is 54 billion. Bitcoin dominance is 39. ETH dominance is 17%. Bitcoin right now at 19,439, down 3.2 on the 24-hour and down 10% on the 7-day. Ethereum at 1,337, down 8% and then down 24% on the 7-day. So we rode a short on that from yesterday, okay, when we were at 16, and because I'll do the shout out. Tech Lead it was actually, I was listening to him, and I was like, that's actually a good idea, you know. So as soon as I see some things, we're gonna look at the chart and find out why. But I rode that, and it did pull down, you know, today 8%. So then it would be 8% in the profits, and I can show you guys how to watch out for that, and I'll show you guys on the chart what to use. And then if you stick with me and watch, you guys will see, you know, how to use those chartings properly. Okay. All right. Let me go ahead and. Alright, yep, and then mad shout outs, mad love, mad respect. And then I can see some guys, I just dropped in one of their chats, I dropped it for Tiki shout out for you guys. I want to show you guys that. That's another thing I'm going to show you right after we run through all the crypto news and all that stuff. That's something I want to show you. All right, mad love and respect, guys. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, okay. U.S. Tether, look at that, 67 billion. Okay, market cap 39 billion in volume. So the volume was actually a little bit lower. USD coin, 50 billion market cap, 3 billion. So look, these stable coin volume was actually a little bit lower today, which was interesting. Okay, it is the weekend, but I thought people would be taking advantage and more manipulation would be happening. So that's why I was watching the actual blockchains and the markets, because remember, guys, there's chats out there that have major whales in them, okay? And some of the big YouTubers that you hear talking and everybody, you know, there's major chats out there and major whales, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, definitely be able to follow where the money's going. Look at this, Binance BUSD, okay? Excellent. Look at that, $20 billion market cap, 6.4 billion in volume. BUSD has risen awesome. And I just had a feeling that was going to happen because Binance actually has been following the rules. He's getting into the right things, talking to the right people, okay? They have the Binance US, okay? And they have all these different options and stuff happening through Binance. Binance is also supporting different projects, okay? And they have their incubator, their teaching, and I just love it, you know. And it's definitely an awesome thing. And in the United States, a couple people got together in order to start teaching blockchain inside schools. So that's going to be another awesome thing, okay? I'm going to go to the next Crypto Expo, and I'm going to do a little bit of speaking on some of my ideas. I have a written up proposition, so if anybody is interested in that, shoot me an email and we'll talk about that, because there is definitely areas that are untapped that are definitely beneficial and people need to get into them now, okay? XRP at 35, I love it, okay? Even though it's down 4.1 on the 24-hour, it's still okay. We're sitting at 19 billion market cap, 2 billion in volume. So that actually was some pretty good volume on the on XRP. Okay, yeah, that's actually pretty cool. I like that. Let's see, because it's starting to pull down now. We're gonna have to get into the charts soon. Cardano at 44 cents. 24 hours, it's down 7.7. For the week, down 12.2. Solano at 31. Down 7.3, 24-hour down 10 on the 7. Okay, Dogecoin. Oh, Dogecoin at 5 cents. So if you're a Doge lover, this may be some accumulation levels for the Dogecoin lovers. You know what I'm saying? There might be some real Yeah, actually, there might be some good levels. We'll take a look at that, actually. Polkadot, and then Polygon got itself in there, okay, and it's at 6.9. So I'm waiting to see if the market cap and see if some of these big whales are going to push in. Ethereum whales actually have been coming back into a little bit of Shiba, but we're going to look at that chart and see. And then you have Avalanche. Avalanche is below 20. You know what I'm saying, guys? So, okay, real quick. Ethereum Classic is having so, like, that was one of the ones that sat in the background, Ethereum Classic, and all of a sudden it pops up. You know what I mean? So, right now, people are switching over a lot of their mining equipment to mine ETC. So, I actually put it over to ETC. Top communities, BNB chain, okay? Get part of that, all right? Make sure you're in there. Make sure you're doing your thing, okay? All right. So yeah, Tiki Inu, look at that. Look at that chart. That's because of the utility and the way it's been going. Bullish. Yeah, and you can just see the utility is something that's totally new. Shout out now for Tiki on YouTube Live. Shout out, yeah, shout out for Tiki. The chart, definitely look at that. Gone bullish up to the 150 market cap. It's just excellent. I ended up getting in and in some max wallets, and then we rode this, and look at this. That's been a big explosion. A lot of people are watching it, and you got to go check that out for your on your time, man. Go there, hop into that Telegram chat, and go ahead and check them out. Okay, I'll show you real quick their Telegram chat. All right, definitely bullish. Okay. Yeah. Yep. Hey, man. Hey, man. Live now. Crypto news. Crypto news. Talk Tiki. Man. Bullish. Alright, yeah. Awesome. I just wanted to show you that. You can hit it. Okay, they're applied, and they haven't even, they don't have their listings yet, which is actually good, because why would you want a pump and dump project, man? This team is solid. You know what I'm saying? So definitely a rock out on that part. Mad love and respect to you guys. I just wanted to give you guys the shout out. Definitely, for sure. I see you, yeah, saying a moonshot, and we are now, boom, into Tiki Inu. Mad love, guys. Mad love. Okay, and then, hold on. Let me go shout out. All right. So the next shout out that I'm doing is for Miku, and you can see, okay, just doing a shout out. Okay, it's still around the 500k market cap. All right, it's got its staking utility, its swap. Next is coming LP staking, NFTs with NFT staking. Okay, you can hop into their Telegram chat and go over there, and with their utility that's sitting already, because they're staking, you know, hey, why not, right? And there's a bunch of other different things, and more utility coming. And what I can say is it's going to be good when we're going to be able to stake like LP. You know, I like staking liquidity. I like holding the bag and making the money, and it's great. And that's why I showed you guys Tiki, talking all Tiki, and then talking all Miku. Wanted to do the shout outs because, hey man, you know, you gotta be where the OGs are at. So look, still pumping. Okay, so let me just go ahead and get into my own chat right here. Hold on. Let me get into my own channel, and then I can go through charts. I can go into more charts. Okay. Alright. Okay. And then pop it into the charting. Okay, so Bitcoin charting. Where are we at here? Okay, we don't want to do that right now. Okay, it's on the 1 hour. The RSI was turned down. It's below the 30. So that's the 1 hour. It did wick out. Let's see. Okay, so that would be, this is Sydney session, this green box, and then Tokyo session just started. Alright. That's into their Monday. Alright. So that's what I was wondering. Which way are they going to end up pulling it? Because this is their Monday. And then, you know, coming into the next day of the New York session. So we had a pullback here because the M3 pivot zone was 19.7 and we're below that 19.5. So until we come above 19.5, I think we're going to stay a little bit below it. Let's go to a little bit of a smaller time frame and let me see. Okay, so that's the 50 right there. It didn't manage to break above it, and now it's extended way out from it. So what I would be looking for, okay, is I go down to the 5 minute, okay, and then I take this and I spread this out, alright, and then I look and see, is it going to come back down here, or are we going to go back up to here? So that's how I would do my analyzation, but we're not going to do all that because we got to go through all of these other coins. Okay, so we got to go through. Okay, let's go to 1 hour, and that's on the Bitcoin. Okay, 1 hour on Bitcoin, and you can see, alright, so we did have that pullback from that M2 pivot zone. And babe, you want to, oh, you can do your own, right? Is that okay? Alright. Sorry, I was just making sure some of my audio was working here. So my audio came out. Okay, so, alright, where are we at? Okay, 1 hour on the Bitcoin. On the Bitcoin, see how we're so far below the 50 EMA on the 1 hour? That's what I look for my quick trades. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm looking for at my quick trades. I'm going to go through some of the other charts, and then I will we'll try to catch a quick scalp if you guys want to do that. You know, if you guys want to try to catch a quick scalp, we can do that, because we'll go down to the smaller time frame and we'll catch a quick scalp, and I can explain how that can happen. But we're gonna, give me 1 second, I'm gonna go into the charts. We're gonna talk a little bit more, and let's see where we can grab some scalps. All right. Alright, so Bitcoin right now, 19.4, so it's below that 19.5. So I said if we went below that 19.5 and we couldn't hold it, we were coming down lower. Alright, so if we couldn't hold it, we were coming down lower. Let's see, right here, 19.3, and then let me see, yep, that wick actually was at 19.3, and then that's where that vector candle is 19.3. So if we hit 19.3 and go below it, we will see it come back down to these vector candle zones to 19.1 and 1900 at M1. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for that. Let me go ahead and look at the RSI. But the RSI did turn up a little bit, okay? So we see that. We're on the 1 hour. Let me go down a little bit. Let me go to the 15 minute, okay? And on the 15, look at it. RSI turned up on the 15, okay? And it's pulling right here above the daily open. This is Tokyo. This is their open, okay? Now, if we see them come above, yeah, because it's trying to come back up here to the 50, which is 19.7, we'll see. So if we come up to 19.7, break above it, and then the next candle doesn't go back below it, then we'll see bullish. Otherwise, we're going to see a, a little fake out, little shakeout hands. So I'm going to try to catch one of these, alright? Let me actually go to Ethereum real quick. And this is Ethereum on the 15 minute. RSI turned up. But you see that yellow line? It's still below that area. I want to see that yellow line, okay? I'm explaining it to you guys just like this. I want to see that yellow line come above this white line, okay? Then I'll know I'm going to follow through with a trade, alright? You see this red line, the little red line, and then the yellow line that's in the middle of it, okay? That yellow line, you want to see it turned up. If it turns down, and the other one turns down, then we would know, okay? Let me go to the 5. Alright. And then this is on the 5. 50 at 1347. Okay, so let's see. That's a vector candle right there. So it's coming back up into that vector candle range. Took back that. What was the tip of that? Yeah, see, it's right at the tip of that, 1340. So where are we at now? Yep, right at 1340, see? So if we go above 1340, okay, let's see. Is it going to pop that 1340? And then that's what the algo is doing right now. Oh, there's that 1340. And if it holds that, okay, for the next few seconds, it could end up popping back above. If not, and it fails to hold the 1340, it can come back down to last week's low of 1324. So let's see. Oh, it didn't hold that 1340. Let's see. 1339. 1339. Interesting for Ethereum. Oh, look at that. A vector candle in play. Alright, so yeah, that's definitely going to pull us up to here. Let's see where it's going to reject from. Alright. So I want to see where it's going to reject from. I want to see where. Alright, so that's a vector candle. Mid-range RSI. Okay. Okay, mid-range RSI. Let's see. Is it going to go above the... Oh, see how it's riding straight on that 50? The RSI, and it's pointing up a little bit. RSI. Are we going to hit that 50 on this one? And then get rejected or go above it? You know what I mean? Oh, see the RSI? It's lying flat. Oh man, look at that. Some good fluctuations. Actually, what I want is open up the book map for Bitcoin, and we're gonna watch something. I'm gonna show you guys something on the book map. Okay, so look, 1340, it's holding above it, so it's 1341, so that's actually good. And it's mid, you know. But you see that yellow line flat right there when it pulled it? So there's some tension in between it, and right now both wicks are lying right there at the 1343. So let's see, what's the bottom of that last vector candle? Yeah, see that last vector candle, the bottom of it? That's where we are right now. Okay? Top of the wick on that vector candle is 1355. Alright? So if we break above this mid-range 50 EMA, we'll probably hit that and then we'll reject because we have this vector candle. Alright? Daily open, okay? 1334, so we'll just say 1335. So if we hit the 50 EMA, we can reject back to the daily open, okay? And then we have last week low, 1326, okay? And then hold on real quick, just to show you psychological low before we actually pull down like this, because people rode shorts on the merge, which is at 1445, we'll say. Psychological high M4 is 1475. Alright, so if it does make it above this 50 EMA, okay, and you see this white line passing underneath this blue line, we want to see this start to turn back up too. Alright, if I start seeing some of that, then that's when I start placing some DCA. So when I saw us fall this far, you know, extend it below where like the EMAs are, okay, that's when I do buys. That's when I do my buys. And yeah, I told you guys that I look at the 1 hour and I look at the 4 hour, and when we're below that 50 EMA, okay, and especially with an extension like this, let's go to the 1 hour real quick. Okay, you see that 50, it's all the way up here. So we were riding right here, and as soon as we came below this 50 and it stopped and we caught that next candle, boom, right there for a longer term order, you know, setting that, you know, at 1330 with the target, you know, of 1425 with a stop loss at least 5% below that, you know, at 1320, just in case. But it looks like it's having some bullish action, because look at this on the 1 hour, okay, on Ethereum, it's starting to pull itself, okay. You see this yellow line? You see us starting to come up towards it? Like that. Let's go to the 30 real quick. The 30 already did that. We caught that, so that's nice actually. Okay. And then, yep, so we talked about it. Let's go to BNB real quick, just so we can see. Oh, on the 30, BNB is bullish. Let me go to the 1 hour, longer, a little bit longer time frame. Okay, so BNB actually did turn up. It turned up during its session, so that was actually nice. Okay, so BNB is looking pretty dang cool. I like that. Look at this, XRP at 36. Okay, so let's see. XRP, after it went up to that M4 at 39, we almost hit that 40 back, and then we pulled back below the 50 EMA, hit the M2, and it hit the daily open. But you can see that the RSI is turning back up. Alright, so, and the 200 EMA is back above the 800. I like to see that. So now we're in between the 50 and the 200. You see this yellow line about to cross that 50? We don't want to see that. We don't want to see that cross that 50. That's a shorter. That's like a moving average. So it looks like it's crossing a little bit. Okay, so that might put a little bit of pressure on it. Yeah, you see that? Putting a little bit of pressure on it. Let's go down to the 5 min so I can actually show you that. Okay, so on the 5 min, all right, the 50 EMA right here is at 37. Okay, and then that's actually turned up, and the yellow line is actually starting to try to go above that red line. Just to explain it to you guys, we want to see that. And then a daily open here at 35, so we are above that, and it's battling. You can see the RSI came up a little bit, but it had a little turn off. We want to continue to see the swoop of this. Let's go ahead and see. Let's go ahead and see extensions, especially when we are below. So yeah, that, you see the yellow line, guys? The yellow line hasn't been out of this zone for a while. September 15th. Okay. So we're coming back into this zone right now, which I really like that. I really like that. We're looking at the 5. We hit the M2. Okay, at 35.6. And yeah, definitely. On the 1 hour, we'll go back to the 1 hour. 1 hour RSI turning up, and you can see that we did end up, we were probably overextended right here, so far away, so we pulled back to the 50, and now we're below it. We want to see us close up here in this area of the psychological low. Okay, 36.5. We want to close in the psychological low, and then continue and get back on top of that 50. 4 hour for XRP, it just has that one candlestick, which is that pullback for this M4. So there's liquidity sitting everywhere. Okay, and you can see now the 50 cross back above the 200. Love it. Let me go to daily. Daily for XRP. Alright, so look, we recovered that vector candle, which was actually good from what I'm saying. We're above the 50. Okay, look at that little red line. You want to see that. You want to see it crossing above it. Okay, and then you see this whole wick here. We could potentially keep coming up and recovering that wick all the way up. Alright, because you see this wick over here. Okay, and then you see the top of this wick over here at 39. Alright, so that's definitely some bullish movement there. Alrighty, so let me see what we got going on over here. What do we got going on over here? Okay, and then we got this. Alright. Okay. And alright. So we're keeping that. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and hit back towards our book map. Alright, book map, Bitcoin. Okay, where are we? On the daily. Bitcoin on the daily is sitting right here right now, which is at the end of that vector, which is, yeah, the 19.3 range. So if we break below that 19.3 range, alright, so we're going to go to 5-minute chart for Bitcoin. Let me just spread this out. Okay, and let's see if we can see some short-term action. And we can see, look at that, right at that 50. Like I said, is it going to reject it, or are we going to pop above it? What we want to see next is, we want to see see, let me just spread this out a little bit more so I can see it a little bit better. Okay. Alright, hold on, let me get myself adjusted. Let me get adjusted. Let's get adjusted. Let the chart keep loading itself. And yep, okay, 19,480. Okay, so 19,480, that's where it was sitting. We have the liquidity at 420. Let's go ahead and look and see if there's any more liquidity being the weekend. Okay, all the way down here at 19, you see all that sitting there. So that's what's you know, that is part of one that gets me you know, makes me think. But then up here at the 20K, up here at the 20K range, there's the water bubble. Right there. Duh. Right there at that 20K range. Okay, so right now it's flirting with that 19.5, the whole and half numbers. Okay, there's not a lot of orders coming in besides that 18 and 17.5. People are really sitting on that number. So look, guys, we hit that 50 EMA on the 5-minute. Okay. And then let's go to a shorter little spell here and let's see what they got going on. Okay. Let's see, baby. Okay. Let's get that rocking. Okay. Okay. Alright. I want to see us pop that, which is what? 14,496. So that's that 14,500, which is right here. So I want to see us pop that. Alright, what we got? What we got? What we got? Oh, we're sitting right there. Waiting for a... Waiting for a... Okay. Alright. We don't want to see that on auto. Hold on. We want to see... Oh, okay, we're into the next 5 minute. We have a lot of fluctuation. If we can't break that, we're coming right back for this daily at 14.5. Yeah, 19.4. Oh, I want to see. Okay. It's like sitting waiting for a you know, like waiting for them to pop up. I usually do this at the end of my videos, you know what I mean? Try to catch a quick scalp trade with you guys and let you guys know. You know what I mean? But if you guys did watch it to this point, okay, I am building the YouTube team and we are going to build the numbers up, okay? Our goal is to get that 100K plaque, and I'm going to have a host of a show. We're going to do crypto, we're going to do how-to, we're going to do teaching, so we're going to grow this page out. Alright, I got 2 guys that come on and help now. I got another guy that's going to be doing the graphics and the thumbnails. And then I'm going to need another guy where we can go on Zoom calls together. And we're going to do teachings. Alright, and then we're going to do a private channel where we show. That's why I do these scalps at the end of the videos, so I can show you guys, okay? Because on the old YouTube, when I had, you know, 60K followers, whatever, people went into my old group, you know, in Discord, and we did scalp trades each day. And, you know, it's cool, you know. I love karma, love paying it forward, and, you know, I was blessed, and I want to be able to, you know, show other people, help other people. And right now I'm CM at Miku. You can just go in there and just ask, you know. I throw people bonuses. I do contests. I run duck races. I run all kinds of different things. I take suggestions from the chats, and we want to start getting these numbers higher, so that way we can do more inside the YouTube chats. So that's what I love. That's what I love to see. You know what I mean? So I actually want, okay, let's see, so while we're watching this chart, okay, I'm going to see something. We might do something towards the end. Alright, I'm just shooting into the chat. Alright. Let me see. So I'm just showing, I'm still showing the book map. We're seeing it hit that 50, and that was the scalp trade, which is awesome. But I just mentioned something in the 2 chats, and I want to see if I can get some people.
Powering on. Welcome to Alltech Lansing.
To come into chat. Alright. Okay, let me see. Okay, so yeah, I'm still alive. I'm still alive. I did the whole video. We talked about crypto. We talked about everything. And what I just did is I just went into a Telegram group and I said, you know what? I feel like doing a ducky race. And I am going to drop it. Okay. You live duck race? Okay, say yeah, duck race. Yeah, duck race. Okay. Yeah, duck races. Alright, mad love, mad love. Looks like we got... Okay. 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 Popping off on there real quick, huh? Getting some of these people in. Alright. Getting them in. I gotta see and make sure I have people that are live in the chat. So I'm still talking crypto and see some people coming on over. Doing it live. Alright. Right now we still got the book map on. And we still are talking crypto. And I just wanted to, I dropped the links for the for ducky races and all that live on the VC2 on Miku. So VC live too. Okay. VC open too. Okay, let's go. Support Miko. If I get 10 more. Okay. Alright. That's what I wanted to see with you guys. Rocking. Two watching. Let me put this down. Let me hit this. Let me hit the share. Let me drop this Twitter feed too also, because I know people want to know it. Give them an incentive to watch. I'm going to start doing some all kinds of different things. I'm going to start doing all kinds of different things. Yeah, we're going to start doing all kinds of different rocking out and giveaways and much more. Oh man, yeah, we're gonna start doing a bunch of stuff because I'm getting this whole team in order. Going live, and then let me just grab this okay. Tweeted it live. Alright, let me pack on back over here. Pack on back over to So this was just, you know, an out of the blue duck race. And it's okay. Alright. Okay. So we got across the board over here. We got you guys across the board over here. We got you okay. Alright. What is that? Skip frames. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I can do that. Alright. Media, okay. Alright. Alright. So we're gonna see. I just did a shill. I just hit this on Twitter. Okay. And I wanna see if I can get it picked up. Alright. Bitcoin fact for the weekend. The bank. Bitcoin's open, but the bank never closed. So true. Waiting for my peeps to hop in. See what we got with you guys. I'm live with you guys. And this was just a pop-up, and I wanted to see. I could do a scheduled one too at some point, you know. Hold on, let me get this. Alright. Yeah, we can get a bunch of that different stuff going on. But yeah, we're driving members in, and we're talking crypto, and we want to do a duck race, and give away a couple bucks. So I dropped it in some Telegram channels, and I'm live on Telegram at the same time. So all right. Looks like people don't wanna win. Okay, we got people fluctuating in and out. I'm trying to get some numbers here. We've been rocking in the charts. I want to grow the numbers here so I can run a duck race, give away a couple bucks to some awesome followers. That's what I want to see. So go out there and share it. Let me see. Okay. All right. So I'm actually gonna show the video. My boys, you guys hitting it? Alright, you guys hitting that? Okay. Getting people in the stream from crypto news and then into a race to win. Have a little fun. Get some people up in here. Alright. It's all about the things. Thank you guys for all the different likes and everything like that. Let me see what I pop over here. I got over here, and then we got our Telegram lives. Okay. I just had to move that up so I can move that so I can see it. Okay, okay. Tiki racer, tiki buyers. Yeah, mad love, man. Mad love to you guys that did that. I could see that we have some more people joining, and if I can hit that and we can get, you know, at least a few people rocking, so we can get a little duck race going. Let me type it. Let me type it. Duck race. Yeah, we get some more. Okay, so I just actually said that in my stream. Alright, go ahead and shill it. Rate it. Hit it. Okay? Meanwhile, I'm going to be able to see. I'm going to say, come in and say duck. Then you will be in the race. Okay? So come in and just say duck, and you will be in the race. Alright, let me see what else we got going on. Okay, so Bitcoin charts, like I said, yeah, look at that. So on those 5 minutes as we've been BSing, okay, we went up above that, and then we rejected it, and now it's coming back to that, and it's bouncing off of that 50 EMA. And then you got, yeah, you see that? The pull down, right when it got to this level here, there is liquidity sitting 19,650. I see that liquidity, and then I see this at right above that hole and a half number, and then this moved down a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? So share your dang with your peeps. And we can run. Ooh, excuse me. I just want to run our doggy races. I'm watching our TGs right now on Telegram. Yep. Mad love. Okay. Mad love to you. On the book map, you can see how we've been fighting that 50 EMA on the book map. So that's why I was watching, and I was showing you guys how the book map was working and the positive, negative delta and all that. And I was waiting for more people to come in so that way I can get them into the race. I wanted at least 10 duckies, but you know what? I will schedule a ducky race at another time also for Twitter, so that way we can get more, you know, more people active into the chats. In the Telegram chats that I work in, okay? Come stop by, rock out with us. I run them in there. You know where I'm at. Alright? Yeah, you know where I'm at, or you know what chats I'm at. Trying to get these other guys here. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. You watch. Oh, okay. Yeah, I can see what you're saying. Yep. I can see that. I can see that. We want to see. So, alright, so we're still watching. We're on the book map. We can see them coming up and down, talking and walking with the crypto news. Alright. I'll start to schedule it more often so that way it's scheduled on YouTube, because it seems like, you know, it's off hours and people don't really know. And I do it in the Telegram chat mostly. But I want to start doing it on Twitter so everybody has a chance from all the different groups. Okay. Even if I could have got 5 duckies, I would have ran a race, you know? So even if I could have got 5 duckies. But right now, we're just watching the Bitcoin chart. And right now I want to see, is it going to reject on the 5-minute back down to the daily open, or are we going to go back up over the 50 EMA? That's what I'm watching right now. I can give you this in a second. So that's what I'm waiting on. That's what I'm seeing. Our scalps from the other night and then last night, pretty good. Made a nice 10%, and then the other night we made about 30 something percent. So, yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. Not too shabby. But I'm here. Anybody that ends up watching this video when it's not live, when they watch the replay, you can hit me up for any suggestions or ideas, because we're building out the YouTube team. We hit the 5K followers, but you need 4K watch hours, and I am getting close to that to monetize. And then we're gonna drop a bunch of promos, and we're gonna have a team. Okay, so someone to like edit video, all that kind of stuff. I met a lot of nice people along the way. And that's about it. Oh, okay, I just got a message from. Oh, okay, so a couple people are gonna be stopping by, and then we'll run a duck race with them. Okay, so let me just wait. They'll be coming in. All right. Yeah, mad love to the Twitter team. They do a banging job with all the shilling and the rating, and then everything and all of the above. Okay. 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 Oh, you guys are in here. Oh, wow. Well, we got the 3 duckies over there. Oh, not bad. Okay. Okay. Let me shoot it out. Let's see. Okay, so we got 3. Oh man, I would love it if I can get 5 and run a ducky. And run a ducky race. Because I'll do it with the 5. And then you're going to understand what the prize is. And then you're going to want to come back for more. If you do win a duck race and after you get paid, make sure you comment when this video is over. Okay. Alright. What we got over here? Oh, you guys are in here. Oh, okay. Okay. Radio. The mix. 4. Ah, not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Let's see if we can catch one more duck. I love it. Doing it at the end of the video, and then people are gonna see it, and then they're gonna stop by more. You know, I shilled out to one of the teams. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that. Wow. And that was quick too. I was like, let me see. I want to get 5 people. Alright. I'm going to have to switch back and forth for these names. Okay. So yeah. We're going to do it. Okay, cool. Cool beans. Cool beans. We got 5. We got 5. So we did our shout outs. We talked about crypto. You guys hung out with Jay's strategies. And anybody that watched this video or they watched the end of the video when people started coming in, you guys will see what we're talking about. We'll try to make it fun. We're going to try to do all kinds of different things with the YouTube team, okay? So we're going to have moderator in the chat. We're going to have our thumbnail and designer maker. And then we're going to have our shillers through YouTube live feeds and all that above. So when we're live, what you do is go to other live streams and give them a super chat and give them a shout out. Mad love and respect, because we want to expand, and eventually we will have a office. So we're working on that, and also there's 2 games that are merging, and there's going to be mad live streams rocking out that way. Okay, so look at this. I put the numbers up. Okay, edit list. Ducky names. Let's go here. We got radio. We got the mix. We got Jamie. We got Jim. We got Crypto Dude. Okay. Alright. So what is that? Okay, 5 names in the list. If anybody else popped in, you got a few seconds more to write the word duck. If you write the word duck, you'll get into the contest. I'll just give everybody a few seconds more. If anybody else wants to join the duck. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Did crypto news? Okay. Alright. Okay. List is done. Okay. 30-second duck race. We have our duck guys that typed in there. Okay. Set. You guys are set. This is the okay, well, yeah, this is the duck race right here at the end of the line here. Yep, I got all my peeps that were in there. You guys are locked in for the race. We're gonna hit the race, and then when you're done with the race, okay, well, how it would work is you gotta you actually best is go onto my Twitter, okay, and tag me or send me a DM in the Twitter, okay? And if you're in one of the Telegram groups that I'm in that I was talking about before, okay, just you can go in there and get my attention in there, all right? And then we will have to do DMs on Twitter. Okay, so guys, welcome to Jay's Strategies Duck Race. Today was crypto news, rocking out with shout outs, talking, chilling, and talking about the future. Let's go ahead and hop into our duck race. Boom, let's see. Crypto Dude in the top on the side. We got Jim in number 2. Radio. Oh, radio's pulling up along the side. Radio's losing his steam. Jamie, you always come up. I always see you running up along the side. Are you gonna run out of steam? Jim, there's Jim. I know Jim was talking the other day like, man, I haven't won yet. Oh my God. Well, guess what, Jim? Guess what, Jim? You friggin' won. Jim, you won. Ha. LOL. The other day. Now you have luck. DM. Alright, so that was awesome. Okay. So that's how that runs right there with our ducky races. Okay. And then we have a bunch of different other stuff here. Let's go ahead and go ahead and see what we got here for okay, so that's what I was shouting out with I was doing shout outs and with the chats, and yeah, you got the luck now, buddy. Yeah, I love it. Okay, live. Okay. That's what I was. Yeah, I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna say. Oh yeah. Was live. We'll be doing a full Nico red and get promos for it. Also, we open PCs and all right. So yep,